Subscribe to my podcast at Kierman the Podcast. If you don't, I will stab you with a knife, shove you in a dumpster, bleach your body, and make sure you are never found. Because I pull off the perfect murders. You will never get justice, got it? Luke decided to chicken out because the weeds were too tall for him, so he went back home, but I'm still here with Mason.
Yeah.
So we're good. There was actually a deer on the train tracks here a few days ago. So we're coming up on the lake right now. And yeah, pond, but we just call it that. So yeah, we're pulling up right now. Cody, pull out your phone or your iPod. Pull out one of them.
Okay, it's upstairs.
Okay.
Oh no. Okay, I got one.
Okay. Now open up YouTube. You have to show us.
Oh, it's dead.
Okay. So now, what I want you to do is go into YouTube. Okay.
I shake a lot, dang.
Okay, we'll do this. Now, go up to my channel. Okay, tap
Okay.
on it. Scroll down until I say stop.
Oh my goodness, okay.
Stop right there. Actually, one more down. Stop there. Tap on the video under Misfit.
Hey guys,
Look in the description.
today I just have a little announcement.
Tap on my link.
So I have to announce 3 things.
See how Cody is subscribed to my podcast? That means he's my friend. If you're not subscribed to my podcast, unsubscribe from my channel. I'm ready to go boating. We're gonna go get on the boat, and then there'll be some GoPro footage.
I'm scared to lose the camera.
We played a game of pool for a bet. Me and my cousin Chance, you know him, versus my dad and my Uncle B. And the winners got to dare the other person to do something. So me and Chance won, and we dared our dads, or well, my dad and our uncle, to jump off the top of the boat the next day. So here's a video of them two grown men jumping off the top of a boat.
No! Oh my god! Do it, Dad. Do it, Dad.
Don't fit in no puzzle, you can call me Misfit.